Good morning! I'm Carrie, the core chemist. The Camp Richards project has been running smoothly for a while, and we have a couple of events completed. Since we have multiple events worth of data, I wanted to look at the reports and see if we have any trends showing over time. There's a couple of reports in FUDSChem that I'm going to look at. First, I'll look at reports, chemistry reports, and choose this Chemistry Results Over Time report. I'll fill out the dropdowns, and then click View Report. This is a nice little visual of how my contaminants at the site have changed over time. I can save this as a PDF by clicking on the floppy disk icon. Next, I'll check out Reports, Chemistry Reports, Maximum Detects Prevalence Report. I'll fill out these dropdowns. For regulatory type, I'll choose As Assigned in EQAP, so it uses the chosen regulatory limit for each analyte. And click View Report. This report is helpful because it summarizes how many detects we had for each analyte out of the total samples collected. Plus, it highlights any rows where the maximum detected concentration exceeded the regulatory limit, and shows when and where they occurred. There's also some reports that show non-chemistry data over time that I might look at. For example, Reports, Geology Reports, Groundwater Elevations Chart. Once again, I'll fill out the dropdowns and click View Report. These charts are a nice way to visualize how groundwater elevations have changed over time. They even show where the bottom of the well screen is, so it's easy to see how close the well was to being dry. Okay, the final thing I want to look at is the Google Earth output. There's a couple of options under Maps, and I'll choose Export to Google Earth. I'll export Camp Richards to KML and open the file in Google Earth. I love having this visual of the site. And if I click on a location, it pulls up this little balloon with info on it. Plus, if I click the number next to a data type, it opens a report with the info for that location. There's so many more useful reports and other mapping options, but that's all of them I'm looking at today. It's great being able to access everything in one place so I can easily review my data and make recommendations on how to move forward for the project.
For those of you watching, thank you for being here with us. We go over many topics from this video in greater depth in our tutorial videos, linked in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the FUDSChem YouTube channel for more tutorial videos. If you have questions or comments, feel free to contact us at fuds.support@synectics.net. Thank you.